From the time I've taken the bike, the horn has never worked. Good morning everyone, what's up? So if you guys following Shriman regularly, you might as well be aware that he had a problem with his horn, as in it used to work on and off and not regularly.
Did you hear that? Horn works, bro. Oh yes, Tiger Bay horn will definitely work when I'm riding in the city. But when I plan to go on a long tour, it will stop working.
I was kind of checking on it and I tried doing, in fact tried opening this and putting it back, reversing it, didn't happen. But when I eventually, I'll just put on some light. When I eventually tried to figure out what might be the problem, initially I thought it might be with the switch also, if the wire is come loose from there. That is also not the case. But when I saw it here, I'll just show you this wire which has come, it goes all the way in here, and then once I happen to just shake it up a bit, here I see that it's broken. I'll just push it. So here it is. So it's kind of cut off from here, from this connection. You see here, this is the horn wire, I believe. So I believe this pretty much was the problem. But if it used to work on and off, I'm not sure how it used to. But maybe this might be the only problem here. So this should be an easy fix. I don't have a wire cutter at my place. In fact, I can do it from a knife also. But not sure again if there might be a short or we should disconnect from the battery or something as such before doing it. So I'll just get it to a mechanic. This should be a pretty straightforward job. Let's see. I'm trying to fix it as soon as possible, because if you're riding in city, you very much require a horn. So yeah, I mean, if it's a simple solution as this, or if this is the only problem here, we might as well get it fixed soon. Lots of sunlight. Yeah. Here the thing is, he does sell used super bikes also, and he also does service. If you want to see his garage, this is how it looks. This is the workshop. He's got a couple of bikes for sale as well. The Ducatis which were standing there, that's for sale. So yeah, I mean, if you guys have plans of picking up a super bike, you can just contact him. I'll leave a link in the description with his phone number, and if possible I'll add the location as well. So yeah, I mean, if you guys are really interested, you can just get in touch with him, and I think he should work out a good deal for you. Kind of stands out from the crowd every time. The infamous horn which wasn't working, or which was working on and off. I'm kind of getting it fixed now. Hopefully it does, because again, without horn, riding in city traffic, it will kind of become a hassle. So if you see, there was a clip, there was a clamp or something which had to be here, which holds these two wires together. That also isn't there. And yeah, that's more or less. Also there was one clamp which has come off from the pipe here, somewhere here. I think if that happens, more or less all the tiny bits and pieces of the work which was yet to be done on the Triumph, it will kind of get fixed. Hopefully it happens. ಇದು ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಎಕ್ಸ್ಟ್ರಾ ಹಾಕ್ಸಿರೋದಕ್ಕೆ ಮೋಸ್ಟ್ಲಿ ಈ ಥರ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅನ್ಸುತ್ತೆ. ಹೌದು ಹೌದು ಸರ್. ಆಮೇಲೆ ಈ ಫುಟ್ ಪ್ಯಾಕದು ಇದೊಂದು ಹೊಡೆದ್ಬಿಡ್ರಿ. ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಮೇಲೆದ್ದಿದೆ. ಇದು ಕ್ಲಾಂಪ್ ಮಾಡಿ ಇರಬೇಕಾ, ಅಥವಾ ಹಿಂಗೆ ಇದ್ರೆ ಓಕೆನಾ? ನಾನು ಇದು ಒಂದು ಸ್ವಲ್ಪ ಈಚೆ ಬಂದಿದೆ ಅಂತ ಅನ್ಕೊಂಡೆ ಇದರಿಂದ. ಅಲ್ಲ, ಕುಂಡ್ರಿಸ್ಬೇಕಾದೆ ಅಷ್ಟೇ ಅಲ್ಲ. Alright guys, the infamous horn which used to always trouble Shriman and me, it's finally fixed. Here it is. Feels so nice to hear the horn for the first time. In fact, from the time I've taken the bike, the horn has never worked, so it's working now. Also the minor adjustments which were there, that also kind of got fixed. Feeling kind of very happy now. Anyone who dares come in front of the dark horse. Yes, everything is kind of set now, so happy with it. Obviously I'll keep on giving you further updates. Cool then, see you around. Bye bye.